So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my hair care routine, which includes wash care, detangling, and styling. Alright, so per usual, wash day starts by just wetting my hair in the shower. I like to thoroughly rinse my hair to get rid of any gunk or dirt that's been left in my hair. The key to a great wash day is a great wash. So next up, I'm going to be using my Aussie shampoo to shampoo my hair. The reason why I love this shampoo so much is because a little bit goes a long way. I can use about half a pump to shampoo my whole head. I highly recommend it. Make sure you get the shampoo into your roots because for a lot of people, that's the part that gets the most overlooked. So while washing the shampoo out, it accidentally got into my eyes and it was burning so much. Now I'm going to be moving on to Aussie conditioner and just condition my hair. I love this conditioner because it softens my hair and moisturizes it without making it feel weighed down. Now I'm just focusing on getting the conditioner into my roots. And this is what my hair is looking like. Next step is detangling. So I just started off by spraying my hair with some water. And then I started dividing my hair into little sections, about this big. Detangling is so much easier if you work in sections, guys. I'm telling you. The key to detangling is spraying your hair with some water, guys. If you guys have been detangling with your hair dry, this is so bad for your hair, guys. Your hair will be breaking off and you guys will be wondering what's going on. I'm telling you guys, spray your hair with some water and then start to detangle from your ends and work your way down to your roots. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it right now. As I said before, begin detangling at the ends of your hair, working your way up as you loosen and separate your strands. This technique ensures that your hairbrush or fingers will go through fewer tangles which each comb through, causing less friction and strain on your hair. So I just went in with a Demon brush to just smooth out my hair. Right here was just an amazing clip of detangling that I really loved with a Demon brush. I highly recommend it. Look how nice it was getting my hair detangled. Links in my description. This is what my hair looks like after fully being detangled. Now I'm going to be using the shower cap and I'm going to be leaving it on my hair for about 10 minutes. The reason why this is so crucial is because the shower cap traps the conditioner in so it can work its way into your cuticles. This is what my hair looks like after 10 minutes. As always, my hair looks so curly and so soft. For my next step, I just washed out the conditioner and just made sure that everything got nicely washed out of my hair. After rinsing out the conditioner, I used elastics to section my hair. And I'm going to be starting off with this section. Alright y'all, make sure y'all listen up because this is the most important part in my video. So I start off by spraying my section with water and then I go in with my TGIN leave-in conditioner and just rake that in. I like to just hold my section for more control and just smooth it onto my hair. And another thing I like to do is just take my 4 fingers and just rake it. So now I'm just going over with the Demon brush to make sure my section is nicely detangled to get maximum results. Like y'all, look how smooth it's getting my hair, bro. So I just recently got another gel. I used a curl cream from this brand and I actually loved it. So I just wanted to try out this gel and see how it worked on my hair. Just like the leave-in, I'm just smoothing it onto my section. And I also like to go in with my 4 fingers and just rake the gel in. Now right here, this is an important step. I take my Denman brush and I just go over my section and just nicely smooth it out to get those curls. I haven't really been using the Demon brush often, but when I seen how good my curls looked after that one section, I couldn't wait to do my full head. So I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like after it's fully defined. And there you have it, guys. Look how nice my curls are looking. So y'all, normally I let my hair air dry, but I'm going to show you guys what I do. That's right, instead of letting my hair air dry, I'm going to be using a diffuser. So I put both options on medium. The diffuser reduces frizz, adds volume, boosts your curl formation, and gives longevity to your style. I'm definitely going to be using it more often. And this is what my hair looks like after diffusing. It looks super curly. I didn't fully diffuse it because I'm not doing anything today, so I'm just going to let the rest air dry. But yeah, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will surely answer you. Everything I used in this video will be linked in my description, so make sure to go check that out. Peace.